This is not just run-of-the-mill people. This is not people discussing topics that they have no understanding of. Mr. Mandela was an accomplished lawyer. You had lecturers, you had high school teachers. Some of these people were experts on these different fields. Initially, what you have is you unintentionally educating the next person on that topic. You fast forward a couple of years, and you have it through an honest, open debate where each has a basic understanding of what they're actually talking about. That's not to say that these guys suddenly got along. They argued. They basically disagreed. But every day you leave the quarry with the other person's opinion in mind. You sit in a cell where you can do little but contemplate. So when you come back the next day, you come back with a better understanding and a greater concept basically building itself up. The new South Africa did not basically come about post 1994. The new South Africa was being built slowly, day by day, in what was supposed to have been a hard labor party. The strange thing is, 32 people, Nelson Mandela, Walter Sisulu, Akmakatrada, Mark Maharaj, Eddie Daniels, Neville Alexander, from as far away as Namibia, Toivo Toivo, some of the 32, a few names to mention. 32 people all took up positions of power. Not one in 32 sought vengeance when they found that power itself. It's a strange fact because human nature is, if you do me wrong, when I'm in a position to get you back, I will. But not one in 32 people did that. The simple reality is, one thing they realized and what scared them is many countries share history with South Africa. Many countries have gone through what we went through, essentially. But what scared them was that many a times, the people that fought for your liberation in a desire for vengeance become the system they fought against. The history just simply repeats itself without end. Reconciliation was not just an idle concept that came up. Reconciliation was not dooming the country to repeat its own mistakes. They chose personal sacrifice essentially, so that the next generation had a fighting chance. Essentially, where we are today was born of the sacrifices of people like the people that worked in that quarry.